Right now we got Truth Entertainment in the house. What's going on, Joe?
What's up, Big Maze?
Tell us a little shout out about what's going on today. In the Funk Lab.
Well, this is what we doing. St. Louis, we showing our togetherness. First, we moving by ourselves, man. We got to show y'all that we are self-made. You understand what I'm talking about? But we want everybody to move with us. We showing our unity. Y'all must unify.
Gotta know that.
That's the only way that St. Louis is going to get this deal with dudes that's showing unity. So we gonna start it off, y'all. And we bringing y'all our first hit single, which is Saint Iraq. You hear me?
Not St. Louis, Saint Iraq, man. We been out here. No other motherfuckers use that, Mo. And it's the zoo, not the Lou.
Man, it's the zoo, not the Lou. North to the west, man. We taking over, man. We at this shit, Truth Entertainment, man.
Show them where we rap it. We rap it. See, we just don't talk about it. It's in our blood. It's in our blood, fuck boys. Come on. Show them it's in our blood.
It's in our bloodline, man.
Man, the truth don't need no support, man. They gonna hear it on the songs, man. That's why I ain't really got too much to say on camera for real all the time, man. I'm humble. It's a good thing to be humble, people.
Well, we're going to get into one of y'all new tracks right now, and we like to keep it real and live down in the Funk Lab. That's how Mace Man does it.
That's how we keep it anyway. It's
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah, so we're going to start this track. We're going to start it off.
You got to touch and agree.
All right, we're going to come with it right now, y'all.
Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. We're going to start it. Come on, fellas. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Heavenly, everlasting Creator. Your creation's in the making. I ask you to talk to me right now, Father. Oh, kind Spirit, speak to me through this song. Give me the right words to say. I'm going to introduce this song. I'm an introducer of this song. So I just ask you to give me the proper introductory words to say. I want to say it simply, but I want it to be loud and clearly. Just give me the words to say, Father. I lean to you, oh, kind Spirit. Oh, kind Spirit, talk through me. It's a lot, it's a lot.
Amen. Let's go. You know, you pray together, you stay together. I ain't never saw none of you fuck boys do that. Y'all talking about y'all in the family with y'all record labels, nigga. You know, we do this shit for real, man. That's right. Straight up.
From the city of hell, yeah, I took a couple shells. I know some niggas doing life and catching bodies in the cells. Call me Young Bill, I'm the heart of my city. North, south, east, west, man, they all fucking with me. So get your crew killed. I told that blue seal. I got niggas in Bond turning up in Boomville. And I done been through every hood like an X-Pill. Ain't talking cars, but I show you how a wreck feel. And I'm a gangsta ass nigga coming straight from the loop. I fucks with the Bloods, but they know I bang with the blue. GD's vice lords, yet I fuck with them too. Missouri straight animals, welcome you to the zoo. Bunch of St. Lunatics running wild and loose, dropping bombs like Saddam when I come for your troops. And my gun like a camera, stay ready to shoot. So you gon' need a fucking army just to fuck with these dudes. Hey, it ain't St. Louis, we call it Saint Iraq. Never leave the house without that fucking strap. Can't be trusting shit, gotta watch your own back. And niggas grimy, so you gotta watch your own pack. It ain't St. Louis, we call it Saint Iraq. Never leave the house without that fucking strap. Can't be trusting shit, gotta watch your own back. Look, niggas grimy, so you gotta watch your own back.
This ain't my game, but I'm in it. Fuck all you pretenders, I'm seeing paper like printers. And the way I feel, I don't need no nigga. And I hope y'all niggas feel the same way, nigga. Cause y'all big line like the Papa of Simba. If it was slavery time, you couldn't hang with me, nigga. And I want them real, but I usually don't choose niggas. Hockey team full of killers, we literally blues niggas. I've been in this shit, I am not a new nigga. I just had to throw that out there for some of you new niggas. And I'm not telling y'all what to do, nigga. But if I throw it at you, catch the news, nigga. Look, life was rough as fuck, but turned out a smooth nigga. Right in that 8th thing, I call it leaving middle school, nigga. I ain't ass catch 'em all, cause I don't pick and choose niggas. Cause we the best, hands down, point blank, period. Hey, it ain't St. Louis, we call it Saint Iraq.
What? Never leave the house without that fucking strap. Can't be trusting shit, gotta watch your own back. And niggas grimy, so you gotta watch your own back. It ain't St. Louis, we call it Saint Iraq. Never leave the house without that fucking strap. Can't be trusting shit, gotta watch your own back. And niggas grimy, so you gotta watch your own back.
Bitch, Truth Entertainment.
Truth Entertainment, north to the west, south side to the Jets, man, we do this shit.
All right, y'all.
So you see it right now, you know what I'm saying? We keep it live out here in St. Louis.
Live,
Truth
man.
Entertainment in the house.
Truth Entertainment. Ain't
and,
no extras or none less or none of that.
We're going to bring it to you all year, next year, every day. St. Louis is getting represented.
This what we do, man.
We do this, man.
I usually say